Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. CES 2025 is officially underway, and we're already seeing some mind-blowing technology. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 20 most impressive reveals so far. 1. Holiday Glasses, 3.5-inch AI Smart Glasses. Imagine having a 3.5-inch screen right in front of your eyes. These smart glasses are packed with AI, allowing you to do things like access information, make calls, and even use AR applications. 2. NVIDIA announces Project Digits, a $3,000 personal supercomputer with 1,000 times the power of an average laptop. For those who need serious computing power, Project Digits is a game changer. At $3,000, it's a significant investment, but the 1000x performance boost over a regular laptop is incredible for tasks like AI development and scientific research. 3. Portograph, a 3D projector that can project VR into the real world. This is where things get really cool. Portograph blurs the lines between virtual and reality by projecting 3D VR experiences directly into your physical space. 4. LG made a see-through TV that shows 4K pictures. It costs $60,000 in the US. This is definitely a luxury item, but the sheer novelty of a see-through 4K TV is undeniable. Imagine watching your favorite shows while still being able to see the world around you. 5. Roborock Ceros C70 is a robot vacuum that can pick up things while it cleans. Robot vacuums just got a serious upgrade. The Ceros C70 can not only clean your floors but also pick up small objects, making it even more efficient at keeping your home tidy. 6. A 360-degree AI-powered body scanning health mirror that can scan your heart, weight, and metabolic health. This innovative mirror goes beyond just checking your reflection. It uses AI to analyze your body and provide valuable insights into your overall health. 7. BYD's supercar, Yanwan U9, jumps 6 meters forward over potholes. This supercar isn't just fast, it's also incredibly capable. Its impressive jumping ability demonstrates the power and innovation behind electric vehicles. 8. A pen with 3 cameras at the tip that turns any surface of the world into a canvas with notes, synced and recorded to your phone. This pen takes note-taking to a whole new level. With 3 cameras, it can capture 3D images and even record your writing process, making it a powerful tool for students and professionals. 9. 3D video from Japan made entirely from photos. This groundbreaking technology demonstrates the incredible potential of AI in image processing. By analyzing countless photos, researchers in Japan have created stunning 3D videos. 10. Honda unveiled the first Zero Series EVs at CES 2025 and introduced its new vehicle operating system for these models. Honda is making a significant push into the electric vehicle market with its new Zero Series EVs. The introduction of a new operating system for these vehicles signifies a commitment to innovation in the automotive industry. 11. Arovia's SBLY is a mix of a projector and a foldable screen. This versatile device combines the portability of a projector with the convenience of a foldable screen, making it perfect for both home entertainment and on-the-go presentations. 12. $1,400 Moonwalkers X by Swift that goes 7 miles per hour. For those who want to move around quickly and stylishly, the Moonwalkers X electric shoes offer a unique and exciting mode of transportation. 13. NVIDIA GB200 NVL2, a data center superchip with 72 Blackwell GPUs, 1.4 exaflops, and 130 transistors. This is a massive leap forward in computing power. The GB200 NVL2 is designed for demanding tasks like AI training and scientific simulations. 14. Samsung Vision AI TVs that come with real-time translation, the ability to adapt to user preferences, AI upscaling, and instant content summaries. Samsung's Vision AI TVs are packed with intelligent features, making your viewing experience more personalized and enjoyable. 15. NVIDIA Cosmos, an open-source, open-weight video world model designed for the upcoming age of robotic source. NVIDIA Cosmos is a significant step towards creating more intelligent and capable robots. This open-source platform will enable researchers to develop advanced AI models for robotics applications. 16. Chinese electric e-car maker Xpeng Aerot unveiled a flying car. The dream of flying cars is one step closer to reality. Xpeng Aerot's flying car is a significant development in this field, though it's likely still some time before they become commercially available. 17. Foldable 137-inch TV. The best TV you can't afford. This is a technological marvel, but its price tag will likely keep it out of reach for most consumers. Nonetheless, the 137-inch foldable TV showcases the incredible advancements in display technology. 18. This robot you can wear helps people in wheelchairs stand up and walk. This incredible technology has the potential to significantly improve the quality of life for people with disabilities. By providing support and assistance, this wearable robot can help individuals regain some independence. 19. Shimon, the robot that plays instruments, can now sing too. Shimon continues to amaze with its musical talents. The ability to now sing adds another dimension to its creative capabilities. 20. A connected mirror from Withings. This smart mirror goes beyond just showing your reflection. It can track your health metrics, provide personalized skincare recommendations, and even connect to other smart home devices. That's it for the 20 most impressive reveals from CES 2025 so far. It's been an exciting first day, and I can't wait to see what other innovations are unveiled in the coming days. Be sure to like and subscribe for more updates from CES 2025 and other tech news. Thanks for watching.